Hi everybody, I am back. It's Wendy Lee and I am back with the haul this morning. You may notice that I changed my name on my channel, you may not. I changed it to Wendy Lee's Designs and Crafts because that's what my Instagram account is, and I wanted everything to like be consistent, and that's also what my email is. So I did change my name, and I thought it might be easier for people to find me like when they're searching on YouTube instead of just putting Wendy Lee, because I think if you just do Wendy Lee, like you're gonna get a bunch of people. So anyway, I did that. Today I'm here with the haul and I wanted to share with you, I don't know if I'm going to share a couple of stores or just one store, just depending on how much time. I try not to go over like 10-15 minutes on the videos because I don't want, you know, to bore people to death, but I don't know. I love watching haul videos and I'll watch a 30-minute one. But anyway, so let's start off with Amazon. I got some crafty goodies from Amazon. I got these. I thought these were really pretty for making tassels with. So you know how you can use those little clamps to make tassels with? What are they called? I think they're called like ribbon clamps or something like that. But I liked these because they were rounded. So basically what you do, you can see it has a little hook there, is you open the clamp up where it's kind of already opened. You stick in whatever you're going to put in there, your trims, your ribbon, paper, you know, whatever you're going to make it out of, chain, and then you just take some, let me show you, take some nylon. Why can't I never, why do I lose my words? What are these called? Nylon clampers, but I know that's not the right word. Oh my gosh, I can't think of it. But anyway, the reason why I want to do nylon is because it's kind of like a plastic and it will not mark these up. So with the other ones, which I'm going to show you, they kind of have like ridges in them, and it will be fine if you use metal pliers, nylon pliers, that's what the word is. It would be fine if you used metal ones because you're really not going to notice it, but with something that's got a smooth surface with metal, I like to use nylon. So anyway, got these, love those, and it also, like you can see, it came with gold and silver. There's 120 pieces, and it came in this cute little plastic container, so win-win situation there. Then I got these. What are these called? Does it have the name on there? Well, it just says sewing supplies, and I love that it came with the plastic container too. I got these to like hook on projects, and you could just, I thought you could like just dangle a charm off of it. So that was, I thought those were cool. And then I got some pens. So I know there's these are alcohol pens. I know there's like the Copic brand out there. What is this called? This is called Alcohol Markers 80 Colors Painting Coloring Sketch. But they're so expensive and I didn't know if I wanted to invest in them. So I thought I would try these. And you can see it comes with tons of colors. I haven't tried these out yet to see what I think of them, but these were not very expensive. I'll link everything below. I don't know, $25 to $35 maybe. I can't remember, but very reasonable compared to those other ones. So got those. Then you might remember in one of my other videos, I was telling you, I, for the life of me, could not find 2-inch binder clips. All I could find was the 3-inch, and all I could find was these ones, and they wouldn't work on my project because they were too thick. So I found the 2-inch, which I'm so happy. I wish I could find these in colored. But what I ended up doing for the project, like I showed you, is I ended up using these colored ones I got from Amazon. And they were too small, so I had to use multiples of them and hook them together. So anyways, these are nice for like when you do tag flips or when you want to make, you know, really thick books and such. So yay, I found them on Amazon. I don't know why they are so hard to find. Okay, so I got those. How many came in this pack? They're called bookbinder rings, 2-inch office loose leaf, but it doesn't say, oh, 20 pieces. I found those, and then I also got, oh, let me show you something from my last Amazon haul. So you might remember I ordered the Pom Pom Trim and it was supposed to come with green, white, brown, and pink, and a mint color. And if you remember, the mint color was not mint color. It was like white with a teeny, the smallest hint of mint, and I told you I was gonna dye it. So I dyed it. I dyed it using, which one did I use? So I used the Distress ink from the Tim Holtz line with Ranger. I used Evergreen Bow, and what I did was I just took my surface and I put a bunch of ink all over it. I wet it with water, like I just sprayed it down with my little water bottle until it was really wet. And then I also wet this. And then I just moved it around in the ink and squished it 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 until it was pretty evenly distributed. And now I have mint colored Pom Pom Trim. So I'm so happy about that. I just think it's so funny that they called that mint and it was not mint. Here's another thing I got from Amazon. So I wanted to get some more colored jump rings, but I wanted to get metallic because I do have colored jump rings somewhere in here. There they are. But you can see like these are solid colors. And I wanted to get metallic, and I found this set on Amazon. I love that it came in the plastic thing already organized for you, and it's always nice to have things, you know, already organized and with storage and everything. So I wanted to share that. Let me put these away. Then what else? I had to buy some more glue. So I wanted to show you what my favorite glue is. So for my glue sticks, I love the Gorilla Hot Glue sticks. I just feel like this brand just sticks so well. Like it just lasts a long time. I don't really have problems with it, and you can use it for wood, metal, glass, plastic, floral, fabric, leather, foam, and more. But this was a value pack and it came with 45. So happy to find that on there. I probably paid more than I should have, I don't know, but wanted to share that. Then here's what I was talking about, those let me open this because it's still in the plastic. I was talking about those ribbon clamps, and I don't even know if that's like the official name for them, but that's just what I'm calling them. But I got this set from Amazon, so I liked because it had the different sizes. So you've got like the itty bitty, medium, and then you've got like the grande, the big daddies. And then it also came with, I think it's chain, lobster claw clasps, and then some jump rings. And then again, it comes in the little organizers. That's like one of the reasons I love ordering from Amazon. Even though the prices are a little higher, a lot of times it'll come with like organization already. Like it'll have like little organizers, and plus, you know, you guys know I'm so impatient. Like I want my stuff today or tomorrow. And then another thing I got is I have a project coming up in my paper art swaps group, which I'll link the group below. It's such an awesome group. I absolutely love it. I feel so lucky to be a part of it. It's a Facebook group, and we always have all kinds of swaps going on. So far I've done 2 swaps in the group, and it was great. And it's neat because like it's always like a different thing. It doesn't have to be like big and outrageous where, you know, like you're spending all kinds of money and stuff like that. And plus you get to learn like all these different skills, like all these different project types. So like my last project was the unicorn tag flip, which was fun. Then we did an Easter card swap. Some other things that I have coming up is a charm swap. So that'll be super easy. We just have to like decorate a little box. Oops. We have to decorate a box and then put some 20 to 25 charms in it. You can't have more than 2 of the same charm. So that'll be fun because, you know, I make jewelry, so I've got charms galore. Let me think, what else do I have coming up? There's one I haven't signed up for yet because I'm waiting to see if I get my die in from Allie. But it's gonna be I think it's gonna be a steampunk memory decks card. What else do we have? We have a loaded envelope one coming up for the 4th of July. We've got, okay, this one that I got off track. The whole reason why I bought these, so these are canvas panels. And the reason why I bought them is because a project I have coming up is to create a mini clipboard. And so one of the girls in the group was saying, you know, you can use the mini canvases from the 4x6 canvases from Dollar Tree, but of course I couldn't find them because my Dollar Tree just only has half the things I'm ever looking for. So I found these on Amazon. There's 12 in a pack. These are 4x6, and I think these will be really cool to use. And it'll, plus because these are so sturdy, I mean, I know you can make them out of like cardboard and cereal boxes and stuff, but I wanted mine to be really sturdy, so got these. These were like $11.99, so it's like a dollar a little canvas. Then I also ordered some stuff from KS Craft. I ordered this heart memory decks die. So it's cute because you can do two different memory decks, if I'm not mistaken. So you can do a shaker, and then you can either just do like the plain heart, or you can do the heart, the broken heart. Oops, I was out of range. So you can do the broken heart, or you can do the heart, the regular heart. And then let me see if there is anything else from Amazon. I don't think there is. Oh wait, I lied. Nope, one more. So I got another set of dies from KS Craft on Amazon. Got some nesting dies. So I got these tag nesting dies, which are nice because it has the stitching. And then I got these oval nesting dies, which also have the stitching. And I got the star ones, which I'm probably going to use in my upcoming 4th of July project. Let me look around here and just make sure I didn't miss anything. Yeah, I think that is everything. So I hope you found that interesting. Hopefully you got some ideas, or maybe I enabled you to go shopping on Amazon. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you will like, comment, subscribe, and most of all, I hope you have an amazing day. Take care, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.